it if sorrow in your eyes when everything is said and done, and yeah, we will say goodbye. But if only we could go back. Every scar is sealed with time. Every broken piece inside, they will slowly fade away in time. You don't have to be okay, just let the tears fall.